Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to quickly generate serial number in Excel. Okay, here you will see this is the cell where I want to generate the serial number. Okay, commonly we use this method to generate the serial number. Okay, now I will drag it to the bottom. Here you will see you can easily generate serial number by this method, but there is a drawback of this method, that if I delete any one of the row, okay, as I want to delete this, you will see that 1 2 3 4, and after that you will see there is no 6. Okay, so what to do, you have to just, I will show you a method by which you can easily do that, and there will be no drawback of these things. Okay, so what you have to do, here you have to just press equals to, then rows. Okay, then what you have to do, now in array what you have to do, here you have to, this is A2 cell, you have to just click on A2. Okay, then again A2. Now here you will see in formula bar, you have to go to first A2, then press F4 for the lock the shell. Okay, then you have to just close the bracket, click OK. Now you will see here 1. Okay, and then if I drag it to the bottom, you will see serial number has been generated. Okay, then if I delete any row, okay, if I delete this row, oh sorry, if I delete this row, you will see serial number will be automatic updated. Okay, so like this you can generate serial number in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.